Hey guys, well, it's been a very long time since I've created a video, and I want to start off about 5 days ago. I started eBay dropshipping, and I already made almost $600 in sales, close to probably 12, 13 sales around there. Yeah, 13, 12 sales already in the last 5 days. And yeah, just to let you know that this is pretty easy. So I'm gonna tell you what happened. So I was looking for a way to make money online. I've actually heard about dropshipping a long time using eBay a long time ago, but I didn't really bother to uh, look at it because I was doing affiliate marketing at the time, And then I decided, you know what? I could just keep seeing all this ads on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, and I was like, you know what? I'm looking to dropshipping because it sounds too cool to be true because you don't need inventory doing eBay dropshipping, because you're dropshipping the product. You don't need it to have the product or anything. So from there on out, I went to go to YouTube and I type in how to make money doing eBay dropshipping, and then I ran into Paul J. Lipsky. He's like made millions of dollars sales using eBay dropshipping. So I was like, hey, this guy looks legit. I'm gonna check him out. I've come across many gurus, and a lot of them are pretty fake and not really legit. Yeah. Anyways, I saw him, and then I was like, I'm checking his video, and his video got me hooked. And then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it a try, see how it goes, and it was pretty good. So let me just get this ready. Sorry. And then I said, I'm just give this a try, see how it goes. And then like we're only like 5 days into this, cause like the date of the first sale was Friday, June 12th, 2020. I got another sale for $43. On June 13th, I made $344 sale on Sunday the 14th, and I made $102 sale on Monday, and I made $22 sale on Tuesday, and then I made a sale for today, Wednesday, June 17th, at $60. Okay, not just like one product for that $60. Okay, and yeah, and basically I saw Paul's video and I watched it, and then he was listing all these softwares that makes eBay dropshipping so easy, because when you first try to list your own products on eBay, it's so complicated because you need to do you need to make professional videos or photos, and you also need to make professional descriptions, which could take a lot of time, especially if you don't know anything about the product. That's gonna be very, very time consuming, which I did back then, and it was like a complete fail because it just doesn't work. I was just like, I don't think it works, and then I gave up on it. And then yeah, that's when I was listing just my own actual products that I had at home to sell on eBay. Only some sold, but most did not sell. It took like I think maybe like 6 months to sell some products on eBay, but it wasn't really going too well, and I just stopped from there. And then yeah, and that's when I ran into Paul J. Lipsky, and I just want to try it again. This time I was actually selling inventory that I don't own or don't have, and then things that it does work. Okay, so we're gonna be starting off by using Amazon. Alright, so we're gonna just search anything. So just click on, I don't know, TV, smart TV. Okay, just use anything right now. Okay, we're just gonna click on anything. So basically the software does is going to be taking all the descriptions here, the photos, and the price, and always be making sure that you're always profiting no matter how many sales you make with it. Okay, so the software is called AutoDS. This is what it looks like. You can see these are all my sales profit in the last 5 days. And then there's the uploader tab. This is where you're gonna copy the URL, paste it here. You get to select your suppliers. There's a couple, but I'm Amazon, and I'm in US, so it's eBay US. You can change the variations if they have any variations such as sizes, colors, but as a beginner I would just say don't check this unless you know what you're doing. And you can select your templates. My favorite template so far is the limited time sale. You just press grab details. Sometimes it takes a while because it's Amazon's end, and sometimes it's the AutoDS end, but it happens. So yeah, hopefully it loads pretty soon. But basically, like I said, AutoDS makes everything done in like just clicks, You don't have to make your own photos. You don't have to make your own description. Everything's gonna be looking professional, like you'd be using like all this or similar to this. Your post looks similar like this. Any day now. Sorry guys. Sometimes it just takes a while. I don't know why. Might be the page, but we'll try another one. Let's see. Yeah, it's Amazon's end right now. Sorry. So we'll try a different product. It's gonna say this. Samsung's a Vero found in brand manufacturer. Just press continue. You'd be using brand like Sony, Apple, Samsung. It's gonna say that all the time. Just press continue. It's totally fine. And it's almost done loading. Still loading a little bit. And as you can see, it's already using a professional looking photo. You don't have to upload it. It shows you the brand models, all the specs about it, and you can select the pictures that you want to use. You can edit the description and everything here. This is what your listing is going to look like using AutoDS. And then when you're ready, you just press upload product, or you can schedule it. You say yes or no. Press yes, and then I'll say success. And your product is live on your eBay. And that's all there is using AutoDS. And then so the thing is that when it comes to eBay dropshipping, it's pretty much just finding your competitors and using similar items to what they're selling, or improving the titles pretty much, and improving the look. Because a lot of professional high selling eBay sellers, they don't really even use any softwares. Some actually just do it themselves, because I've came across a couple when I was using Zik Analytics, and basically it's a spying tool for your competitors and product research. You can see the number of sales that are not revealed on eBay using this, and yeah, you can see. So for example, let's go. Let's copy this right here, right? Come to product research, and we're gonna click here. We're gonna search. Like, you can't go into eBay dropshipping without using software. That's all I have to say. I mean, you can go in blindly and do everything yourself the hard way, the long way. It'll take hours because you don't know anything about the product. You have to make your own pictures and everything like that, and it's very, very complicated. See, right now you can see that there's already all these people that have the same exact titles that are pretty similar, and only one of them, two of them are actually making 6 sales, and they're selling a TV at $679 and one's selling at $594. And let's go look at Amazon. $497. You see the difference of how much profit they're making from here. And then yeah, basically they are selling this product. So you don't want to be using these titles like how they're doing, because they're just copying and pasting and it looks very spammy. It also doesn't rank well, and everyone that does it, they're just competing with each other, and no one's gonna get a sell because it all looks like just like junk. You always want to improve your title and make sure it looks more professional, and you can do that using the title analytics. But you really don't want to be searching for words such as this. You actually want to just be searching for like the actual main keywords, like HD smart TV, and you're gonna see the results are gonna go massive. And you look at these results, right? it went from like I think 7 out of 100 to 100 plus. All right. So this is what happens when you search the actual keyword of the actual product, which is the smart TV, right? You're gonna see the number of sales have gone humongous. Like earlier, the thing was 200 and like what 12 in sales, and then you see the successful listing was like what, like 10, 6, 12%, and then you see the number of sales so much smaller than this, and you see there's 100 listings right now, and almost 1,627 sold. And you can see this person sold the TV for $159, 212 times. This is someone that you want to imitate using Zik Analytics. Pretty much you just search products and then you just want to basically imitate people that are doing well, and then you will rank. Then those just copying and pasting these horrible titles, and yeah, and from there on out, that's all there is. It's just a waiting game and listing and list, post, and sell. That's all there is. You only buy whenever someone buys from you. Like I said, I made $600 in sales in 5 days, being a complete brand new noob. I never knew what the heck these two softwares were, but I guarantee you, if you actually put the time into this, go into the training. They're not very long. Well, there are some that are long, but if you want to use the short one that I use, I forgot where it was at. It was dashboard, and you click the watch webinar right here. And they have webinars about market research, which is very, very crucial. I watched it 1 through 7. You should watch these chapters. They're not very long. Each video is about 3 to 20 minutes, probably less than 3-4 videos per chapter. And yeah, and from there on out, you're gonna learn a lot how to use Zik Analytics, like how I use it, and how people are using it to make good money and make the sales fast. Like I said, it's pretty much just listing, and it's a waiting game. That's all it really is. Anyone can do it. You can do it. I just started 5 days ago, like I said. $600 in sales. And here, like, let me show you. I made $16, $15 sale on Friday, June 12th, $43 on Saturday, June 13th, and I made $344 in sales on June 14th. I made $102 on June 15th, and I made $22 on June 16th, and today I made $60. Okay, and just to show you the power of eBay dropshipping and using software to pretty much do everything for you, pretty much automatic. Oh yeah, one last thing I forgot to mention is that AutoDS can actually make your own orders for you yourself. You know, you actually whenever someone buys from you, and then you could fulfill the order by fulfill the order, or the software will actually fulfill it itself. But you have to set it properly. But I'm not gonna go to that. If you want to know how to do it, you can actually just go to the help center, or you can actually ask me yourself. But this is what not what the video is about. But I totally forgot about that. That AutoDS can actually auto order your orders for you whenever you make sales automatically too. And yeah, then this is pretty much some of the videos about how I started eBay dropshipping. And if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me on Facebook or leave it in the comments. And more content will be coming, so go ahead and subscribe. Right.